The total number of coronavirus cases in the UK has reached 14,579, with the death toll jumping to 759. It has been announced the number of deaths in Great Britain rose by 181, startling jump of 31% in just 24 hours. Across the UK there have been 113,777 completed tests, with 198 tests coming back negative. Among the 181 new deaths, 168 were in England, bringing the total number of confirmed reported deaths in the nation to 689, the NHS said. The patients were aged between 29 and 98 years old in all. But 4 aged between 82 and 91 had underlying health conditions. Their families have been informed. First Minister Nicola Sturgeon confirmed further 8 people have died in Scotland as a result of the coronavirus pandemic, taking the total to 33. She also announced an increase of 165 in confirmed cases of COVID-19 to 1,059. In Wales, further 6 people have died from the bug, bringing the total to 34. In Northern Ireland, the last 24 hours has seen 34 new positive cases of coronavirus, bringing the total number in the region to 275. It comes as Prime Minister Boris Johnson tested positive for COVID-19 and is self-isolating in Downing Street. He revealed the news in tweet earlier on Friday after developing symptoms in the last 24 hours, but insisted he would continue to lead the government through the crisis. It raises fears that other key Downing Street staff may have been exposed and prominent members of the cabinet. Health Secretary Matt Hancock also revealed this morning that he developed mild symptoms of the virus and has entered isolation. He said in video message that he would be self-isolating until next Thursday. Fortunately for me, the symptoms so far have been very mild, so I've been able to carry on with the work driving forward the UK response. He also said massive thank you to everybody in the NHS, working in social care and right across the board on the response. Number 10 staff do not have to self-isolate unless they show symptoms, and Downing Street spokesman said he was not aware of any further testing of cabinet ministers. Mr. Johnson received his test results at midnight last night after being tested late yesterday afternoon. He will self-isolate for 7 days in number 11 Downing Street, normally home to the Chancellor Rishi Sunak, where video conferencing system has been installed. Elsewhere, former Sunderland councillor and union activist Margaret Beck has died after contracting coronavirus. Seaburn Dean Primary School, in Sunderland, said on Twitter on Friday, "Long-standing school governor and friend to our school Margaret Beck died today in hospital after brave fight against the coronavirus." Mrs. Beck was admitted to Sunderland Royal Hospital on Wednesday and passed away this morning. She was an active and passionate advocate. Julie Elliott, Labour MP for Sunderland Central, posted, "So very sad to learn that former CLLR for Fulwell Margaret Beck has lost her fight against coronavirus this morning. My thoughts are with Dick, Teresa and all the family."